Okay, friends, here we are today. Eli and I were opening up this construction sensory sand kit, and we're doing it during nap time while his little brother is sleeping. So I'm keeping this nice and calm and cozy. But I'm telling you right now, Eli is ecstatic. So this is the set that is 42 pieces, and it comes with a foldable sandbox, a little liner, 2 pounds of magic sand, and then all the fun construction pieces, trucks, cranes, tools, road signs, little workers, molds. It's basically a whole construction site in a box. All right, first things first, let's open it up together. Eli's doing the official inspector job right now. No surprise. You know how kids get when they're unboxing something, right? They're very serious about it. So here's the sandbox part, and I want you to see this because it's one of my favorite features. It's foldable, which is so cool. That means I don't have to store it in a giant plastic bin somewhere in my house. So, right, that's just more clutter. We've got this handy little plastic bin. This all folds up and fits really nicely right into it. You can fold it flat. The trucks just go right into the little plastic storage bin. And then you can store it under a bed or on a shelf. Yeah, so for grandparents, for small spaces, anyone who doesn't want more clutter, this is a big deal. Now we're going to set it all up. It opens up easily and it creates a nice contained little play area. I like that because when you're doing sand indoors, you want some boundaries. So pretty soon we're going to be opening up the magic sand, and that part is so cool because I'm going to say it clearly. I know this is that what everyone worries about. This is not sticky. This one is designed to be easier to manage than regular sand. It's soft, it molds really well, and it doesn't dry out the same way some play compounds do. Eli is loving the part where he gets to pour it right in. This is such a satisfying little feeling for him. Pour it slowly, let him help. I'm letting him be my helper. Now we're going to do the squeeze it test, right? See how it holds its shape. That's what makes it fun. We squeeze it. Kids can pack it, mold it, build little hills, make roads, and it stays put enough to actually create something. Okay, now the best part, the construction vehicles. This set has 9 different trucks, and I love that because, well, it's not just 1 or 2 little cars. It's a whole collection that lets them pretend that they're playing on a real job site. It teaches real-world roles in a way that feels like play because it is play. Now let's talk about the extras because this is what kids are interested in longer. You get little tools like a shovel, you get a crane, you get fences, trees, stones, a road sign, so they can create a whole scene. And, that's just really great for their little imaginations. Now I'm going to share the real reason I love this. It's one of those activities that works beautifully for indoor play, especially when you need something that keeps their hands busy and their imagination going without turning your whole house upside down. We set this up thinking it would be a quick little activity, and I'm not exaggerating. They played for 2 hours. 2 hours building this, with it scooping, making roads, making construction rules, moving signs around, and narrating their whole story. It was great little teamwork play once his brother got up. They're 3 and 5. Now let's talk cleanup because that matters. Since the sand isn't sticky, it's much easier to gather back up. I like to do a simple routine, keep everything inside the sandbox while they play, and then when you're done, you can just scoop it back toward the center, pack it into pieces, and you're not fighting that stuck to everything feeling. And then the best part, the sandbox folds flat. So once we're done, we can fold it up, store it away, and it's not taking over a whole shelf. So if you're shopping for a gift, this is a really good one for all ages from 3 and up, especially for kids who love trucks, building, hands-on play, or anything STEM themed. It's also great for siblings because there's enough pieces that they can play together without fighting over one single toy. And my home sweet home tip today, I love having one special quiet time activity like this that I can pull out during nap time, rainy days, or winter afternoons because it feels like a treat and it buys you a little peace while they stay happily busy. Consistency is my standard. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed.